Rise Up Zimbabwe, a call to arms against the 2030 betrayal. Zadapita mashoko ataona kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe offer resistance aiwa in all the dimensions. Tisingatauri mubato make toona pamwechete macitizens ari kuuya panapa vachiti aiwa we want to rise up to stop this 2030 betrayal. Zadapita mashoko abudanyiko panapa. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina payendo iChange Radio. Unanyora achiti we the youth of Zimbabwe stand united as the thunderous voice of a generation that refuses to be shackled by the false promises of the so-called 2030 agenda. This agenda is not a roadmap to prosperity. It is a smokescreen of corruption, exploitation, and the continued plundering of our future. It is the anthem of the oppressor, not the liberation song of a free people. The architects of this agenda want us to believe in their hollow, chaotic world. They siphon our wealth, sell our land, and mortgage our dreams. But we see through their lies. We refuse to be spectators to a system that benefits a privileged few, while the rest of us drown in poverty, unemployment, and despair. We are the custodians of Zimbabwe's future. Our nation's wealth, its land, minerals, and people belong to us, not to the people who have robbed us under the guise of leadership. We will not allow them to gamble away our destiny. The time to reclaim our power is now. We call upon every young Zimbabwean to rise with the fine of Mbuya Nehanda, the revoke of Josiah Tongogara, Tondera Indira, Patrick Anabanyama Chiminya, and the unyielding spirit of our liberation heroes. The struggle is not over, it has simply evolved. And now, the battlefield is our economy, our governance, and our dignity. Tomashoko ataona kuti aiwa vanhu vazvipira vachiti let us fight tirwire our freedom yedu. Toze mafundo emuri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Nyamukome section medu, musaona subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.